how to add playing a game on Discord mobile. So in order to do so, you may follow up this tutorial. First of all, you may just go ahead and open up your Discord mobile application onto your device. You may tap on it to open it up, and once you open it up like this, you should be finding your servers, your channels, and everything here. So what you can do is you can locate up your user settings, which is your U tab in the bottom right corner from the given interface. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, your profile appears. You may locate up the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Now once you open up your settings, you should be finding different options within. So you may look out for the option called content and social from these options available and tap on it. And then after you tap on it, you should be finding different options within. So from here, you may scroll down and look out for the server settings. So you can look out for server settings, each of the server. Right now I have joined the server. You can tap on it to switch over to any of the servers that you prefer. So what you need to do is, here we have this option of activity status. So you just need to turn on this option if it's turned off. So you just need to locate this option and tap on it in order to turn it on, like this. And when you do, it will show other people if you're in any kind of activity, including the game. So if you can also turn on this option of activity joining, that allows other users to join your activity in the same server. So if you're playing a game, other people can also join directly if this option is turned on. So this is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.